Miss Megan's music studio. Today we'll be going over SuperSonics Level 1 method book, and we'll be going over the first two songs, which can be found on page 8, and we're going to be doing the C song and the D song. First, we'll begin with the C song. As you can see on the page, you'll be playing the first part with your right hand second finger. So your right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my second finger, and I'll begin here. And then in the next measure, measure 2, you're gonna need to have your left hand second finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my second finger. You'll wanna have that one ready to come in and play. So here's how it goes. Easy. So you want to keep a nice and steady tempo the entire time from beginning to end, alternating from right hand to left hand depending on which way the stem is pointing. So watch carefully. Our next piece is the D song. Again, we'll be using both of our hands for this one. The notes with the stems going down are going to be for left hand. The notes with the stems going up are for right hand. We'll begin here on D with our second finger. Very good. Even though both of these songs are very easy, just alternating from right hand to left hand on C or D, be sure that you're keeping a steady tempo the whole time and not starting at one tempo and then speeding up or slowing down or having an inconsistent rhythm. These are all quarter notes from beginning to end, which means they each get one beat. You got this. Here's a note for the parents. If your student is having trouble with this piece, have them pick out 2 different colored pencils, maybe one red and one blue. Have them circle all of the notes with the stems pointing up in red, or they can trace the stems, and the stems that go down in blue, so that it's a little bit easier to tell which notes are played with the right hand and which notes are played for the left hand. You can do that for the C song and also the D song.